I feel they talk and say, if you greet good morning, first you go look time if you correct. Your good morning and good night. Oh, the enemy matter will know okay. You are full of lies, and that is not even the problem. The video I watched yours now, you see I called Jamie to get document. Now our plan be that. Ah, Jesus. Oh God. Boy, not to hold this. You say I called Jamie. May we can't get document together. Now our plan be that. Enogie, if I may ask you, before I know you, I don't get document. He making aware. I never go Nigeria, come back. Okay, why be saying I now one born take get document? Are you okay? You say before I know you, whether I don't know, say you know they work. You tell me say you know they work. Abi you tell me say your work gets stress and Igbo you dey do mu come do it together. No be make me come down come meet you. You dey into business of something, so you bring. No be make because I. No be make me come meet you. You tell me say you know they work. Just listen to yourself. A man who doesn't want to do anything, but you want a woman to do everything for you. According to the video I watch, because I know they watch many videos, might not take the man for the get accept. You say whether have I sit down and ask what are we going to do in this document matter? Log out more and take note and analyze this part. I go around and ask everybody. I ask people. I have 4 children for this man. My man did not give her a document. Waiting he need to do. They tell you say 1, we should avoid police 1. 2, you should be learning work or going to school. Your lawyer no see something, take 5 case for you. If you go meet lawyer, you will tell they say, and they put it on my paper, they say I should not work. That is not an excuse. The mama who call me yesterday, no one make sure in it. That one say, you first get document. I say, yes. I have an Italian document. 3 years before you come back, so. I have an Italian document. I don't get my baby belly before my Italian document. But they don't grant me document before I abandon my Italian document. I don't get document before I know you. We shall be, I say, make we born. The reason why you be bring a pie the Murphy, make it come sign for my paper. Before a pie the Murphy, we don't first go meet another person. Now, Esther, the boss lady of Dortmund, now you bring that person. You say you go give that person money. No, so you don't get 1 naira. I ask you, only you get money. You say yes, you get money. Now, person when we dey he ask, calling me they know say, priceless. Your husband not get money. Your husband they trail you. Now I say no, you get money. Oh, you get money. Later, before you come go they beg a pass. Before the boy will be one doing for us, come know say you not serious. Before the boy. Come run, come go beg a pipe. Because okay, he go do it for you. The reason why you say make a part do it for you, if you not talk, if you not talk true for this matter, if you not talk true for this matter, come and go visit you. If I lie against you, make come and visit me. May I face repercussion tomorrow. I tell you, say if you like pet me blue and black, make people take dislike me. I don't care, but now the truth of the matter, now I go take fight you. If case come and they waka, you go know where you want for knock for each person door. Now because of documents make me come meet you, I don't get paper before I know you. The reason why you say may a pie at the Murphy do, they tell you say Jama. Not the grant Aduru again. Everything about Jama now risk. Say the fit deport my enemy. Go Italy back. You know what made that kind of thing happen. You dey fear. Now I come tell you say they even deport we go Italy back. Now they know. I go start for Italy again. You say no, you don't need those kind of things. You know I made they carry me go back to Italy. Now be the reason why you can't say me a part of the Murphy can sign me Nora, my baby, for to get passport. I don't even know if I don't even know anything about Germany. I don't know anything about system. Say as a park concert, if I can't get belly, then I can't bring you come out. Now you can they put me through. How it takes a go. I don't know. My mind was not even the Germany right for time. You know you yourself. No, my mind not the Germany. My mind not the Germany. I don't like Germany right for time. Even till now, I'm not a lover of Germany. The reason why you do because you know say I no go come abandon my documents, go take asylum. So now make you say make a person. Which one say me and you plan? Now me and you plan waiting. If I know say me and you plan, I know say na documents you want use me do. Who can help me you do a key? Because you know make I come out. You know make I stress asylum. That coronavirus they hot. All shop lock. Everywhere they lock. All office not they open. Now you even make me go take asylum. Now say me I go take asylum. Take wage my body first before a power can do the necessary thing. Even when a person do the necessary thing, even when I go take asylum, they never accept me. Anytime me a power go anywhere like office, like problem was there that they lock office or they not open that day before they can finally grant me because they accept my story. Even when they see accept my story, you see they want me make I get passport. Now I say no, I don't go green. Me because of your situation, because of your condition, because of the city where you there, that they frustrate you, that they use life, they hard you, that they say me you come out for Jamie, may you for not get problem, may they for not deport you. Now I can't tell the people where they say, not be a part give me belly, I don't remember. Because if I don't need the best for you, not be true you, I take get documents. Now the words of my mouth, God, go with grace. Now they take give me document. Not be my pikin, give me document. Now me every they give my children now. If I don't need the best for you, as they give me document, I don't know so you be traitor. I go push your head come out. But I want to make you all right, make you be the best because Jama is stressing you. Because they are stressing you. Which one say we got that plan now? Me and you got that plan waiting. Me and you got that plan waiting. For night, I be for afternoon, I be for midnight. Now that one I want to debunk for you. Because you want to try to make yourself as a good person. Me and you got that plan now. When you want the best for me, you don't want to stress me. When person breed person, when you want sell put, when the person tell you amount, why you not see money give that person? You can't defend free yo when a power do. You can't defend free yo when a power do. You lazy right for time. You call I can say if you do not get document, I bomb one winner. You bomb one winner. You know why help that person build your document. You know why help the person build your document. Now business you they do. You don't tell me see you know they work. You they do business, you'll see come up for us. The next thing, you'll say the thing never fall put. It never fall put. I don't know, I don't quite know. No, you say all we are all lies. I was like, everything not be the same. Since this man say he's a business person, maybe this period he get how everything be. Things not fall put. Me know you can be like, see, not get money, I not stay. My your money stay. Where they go tomorrow, I don't know how it be. Now I take day with you. At that period, everywhere for rough. That make me make that statement. Say you forget how we take start. I never ever get belly that time. When I take sacrifice, I repeat it again. If you enter shop, I repeat it again. Collect bosses, can't make you happy. You don't do okay. Now only document you never get. You they raise your feathers. Apart from me and you doing saga together, what kind of conversation do we have as husband and wife? I keep telling you every day. I say, apart from you want eat, you want knack, You get children. That is what you understand as family man. You know anything about family. You don't know how they do family man. You want it's food, the way you cook today. You want knack. You call, you see children. Then you make call. Say, I have 4 children. That is all you all know about family man. You don't have the Z. 9. You take children to school, but you know now you not feel escape. If they see me carry children go school reach 3 times and you are not doing anything, the government are going to ask you a question. What are you doing? Not waiting you feel escape. You sometimes I say, may I go breathe there? You say no, may I not go carry there? You want to go. How many you take plan when we say we take get document? Before I know you are not get document. I know they travel, not the enter fly. Not be your ever, not be your hands. They will come bring me. Obo walk be men. Obo no go wo. Obo we walk be men. Anyway, I am men when I team with me. Now so you take know me. Now you feel carry me. Me no me never tell where I want to be like this. Now so you take know me. Why are you lying? We plan it to have documents together. That will know, so you want to use me do documents. Meaning when at the B, you want to use me both for business. Why are you lying? If I don't have document before, I sit there on risk like you. You make this statement, it go enter my ear. I have documents. My document never there. I don't born when I got to see say Jama grant me. Now I got to leave my documents. Italian document make it there. They don't have documents. How we got a plan and say make we have documents together? Even baking and where? Even Nigeria came and where? Even travel came and where? When you call me, I say I did all that. What I do? I say nothing. Because I don't feel your see man. Say I did my street job. I said nothing. You don't see me say I go shop. Let me use my tell you say I feel they go club shake. And you we mommy and we me say well. Oh, we hear singer. Now me stop her. How you tell stop before you stop me? You get one particular thing. Give me say be doing this thing and stop this thing. If not, we are looking for how woman go say get belle. Make them know say woman get belle for you. If I'm a bad person, I'm not gonna bring you come this city. I'm not gonna bring you come and say you be my husband and you they give me belle. I will not bring you out. If I'm a bad person, I go deny you. I bring your Ahmed all the way from Bayern Munich. Go and ask question. How I take battle round for them to remove your address for Bayern Munich for we to start life together. We still come together. I don't carry your address, go different place. I carry and stand with me. May government know say you be responsible man. May the for quick answer you. We are when you know any man. Why come when you are here when on if you went by when I no ask question. How document go take on? I ask people question. They tell me say, tell your man he should be doing something. Tell your man he should be doing something. I call you. I say, honey. Even the woman that is reading letter for me, he asked me, say, what is your husband doing? I say, nothing. He said, tell your husband to come and meet me and let's find a school for him. Everything is about live video saga. You don't want to go school. You don't want to do hospital, which is learning work. Imatama where I teach a life where verbal, imakama where only. Since you see go school, you can read and write. Go to school, learn German language, get certificate. Now I say this is an opportunity. As you not get documents, so anything you want to do, German go accept them. Once you don't get documents, they're not gonna let you do anything again. They will say, may you go work, may you take care of your responsibility. And the work when they will put you, you're supposed to receive 3,000. But because you not go school, they'll come put you for work of 1,000, 1,005 because you don't have certificate. Now say only document we can ladia. Try no J school. I mean you are serious. I say 4 hours. go hospital. I come dey use very people to dey make example. You know, see the wisdom man. May God bless that family one day. May God grant the document. He and the family not get document, but the man is working. The man is doing hospital. 13 years in Deutschland, you don't have one certificate. You get certificate in now, woman. Person you come barb your hair, you go they tell you say, Enogie, forget Jamie, not do all those things, not do all those things. Even if you do one, they're not going to give you documents. The next you not get a reply say, now at the time my woman not they believe. At the time my woman not believe. You go school, you not go school. If you don't want to give people, no, they'll give you paper. If you just see anybody when they deport and the boy they walk, the next you not get a wrong come out. You know, and I not say jam will not be by walk, jam will not be by walk, jam will not be your by walk. Yeah. Want to make chocolate for you, okay?
Yeah.
Jam will not be by work. See who they work now. They don't deport them. You go the happy. You go all lose. You go all lose hope. You go all lose the courage. Person when you say me you not go school. Person say me you not work. Even if you not work, Jam will give documents. He will get everything. They not give them. But the person have everything. He's telling you not to do it. Not be by that one. But the person when they tell you say me you not do one, he gets everything. He gets everything. The person gets everything. The person talk and what they say, as they never give a document. So if they mistakenly give them, all that 1 year, he don't apply for German passport because everything when they say they apply, put, he don't make the foundation down. He don't lay hands down. He gets everything. I say only you see. Only you see, they carry the boy go court. He not carry Domisha. He speak Dutch and he not get document. The family not get. Person when and the family not get. If he struggle like that, he ever get driving license journal. He ever get car journal. I gotta use those people to they motivate them. All in the name of you receive money on Facebook. When you ask German people, they don't recognize Facebook. The tax you are paying is automatic because Facebook asks for the tax. When you want to monetize your Facebook, they ask for tax number. That's why you are even paying tax. But German did not recognize that as you are working. They want you to be doing something with the certificate. Lawyer can use it to fight against them. Say, this man is doing this. This man is going to school. He is working. He has results. Lawyer himself is even fed up. Lawyer is even fed up. Lawyer not get one thing when you go to help you fight. Say my client is doing this, my client is doing this. Wait till you they angry they put now say I tell the Murphy. The same thing you tell your mama about me. All thing now your mama not they use good eye they look me again. Me and you they quarrel. We quarrel finish. Wait till we not quarrel for. You want tell your mama, you tell your mama say iri go gu e wo kan we na mo na your mama say e wata who where you go give me how who when na mo we as I tell that woman say yeah I not do that kind of thing that kind of thing na lie. That woman not believe me again because oh yeah time I after we don't settle now I ask you say I not tell you something like this even though I not good. I not be woman when you say where you go send your mom money. I go they tell you say where you go send your mom. Even for example, I will tell you say the money when you send go give your mama too big. For example, now wait till you go tell your mama be that when you know as African women be, African mothers as they be, you spoil my head, you spoil my head for your mama for waiting I no even know. Until now, your mother they use good that they look me again because of what you tell your mama about me, and I never tell you such. I never told you such. You lie to me many things. I try to explain, give your mama say, see what you do. I cash out for the thing. I cash out for the thing. The next thing, we just your iri go na mo. Iri go na mo. Oni makonji. Your mama say, Emata. Your mama can invest. You don't have one certificate at home. You don't have one result at home. How do you want them to give you paper? when you say, I not ask you sit down, say, this document matter. The way you say make back for this paper is obvious to everybody. Say you are desperate of the document. You are desperate of the document. The way you say they make back. What are you doing? Who were there anime? Who were not there anime? What are you doing? He make you a document here. Did I not have document before I met you? Do I met you in zero? Have I not gone to Nigeria before I met you? I know they go Nigeria before I know you. Why we come plan together say get documents? I will not so unique here. I wish I not get paper that you can't talk this thing. I know fit talk. What go your buy for my mouth? I get paper before I know you. My paper was still ready. My docu never there. Tell me how we want to plan together say make I bomb you take get paper. That one a statement. I know say we and we you want make we bomb before me I take give paper. I not go wrong. I not go wrong. If we want to the baba your head, even the family not get paper, he still working. They do things. To depend on Facebook. When you never get your so-called lover, your this, your this, were you like this? Because you have people who is calling you say, Enogie, Dimo wa marry we na. Enogie, we lucky be. Enogie, wa any opportunity ya marry we. When you mu we akian, jiyan we. I make po o ma se po no few. I make po o ma se po no few. So you go ever come and say, you get one of my lovers, he say you all like you, or when you are worried, go no, in a way, what is my problem? The problem, man. The man know where there, where no we are not can we're not better Jamie. The man anything about Jamie. Now true children, according to the no system of Jamie, you weren't supposed to so that I go every year so things. I can say only when we make Jamie no we are correct in me. Who correct in me? Who royalty? Who go economize? Who go echo? You go you nothing. How they correct you? You say I know they shout nothing. Now you vamu where the time when I say make I be a man. No, I don't do that. The time when I say make I still be a man, he go here say no, equal. Because he come here and say how you they compare and be honest. I explain everything, so that is not a comparison. A man they buy man for. I never come meet you say only see your husband your buy and for. You never buy me once. That is a comparison. I'm comparing you with another man. Man buy person house, man buy car, or man post business or anything. I call they want you to be like that. I know that is compare. You know you will say you go school. Do you know the meaning of comparison? Another man go come my house. My children go get joy with the man. So tell if the man want come out, they cry. The way those men go take play with my children, they go play with them. Maybe some of your friends. Now make I use that momentarily word. Now make I use that statement. Momentarily husband come. I who my fear will be. Who like everywhere. You must do some kind thing for your heart. When you take praise man, say this man they are. Momentarily husband come. The man they should see all this book where the back. The man they play with my children. See the way my children they happy. See the way they were so loved. The man go hide. My children go they find out. They also say, I catch you. They go they laugh. I thought man, the thing they sweet me for body. I they admire and say, now person your husband they play with another man children like this. When they say, man, when me ever born there for, you know ever get all this time. Now I come make that statement say if I may marry this kind of man, I go born 10. Why I know born 10 if I marry that kind of man? Why I not go born 10 if I marry that kind of man? You say you go school, you never carry your children, communicate with them. They stars, they clap your hand, they play with them, they sing for them, apart for shout. They say, more binya, okay, more. Na what they tell you that say, Eriano. When mafia you know na you never knock one of these children, you come first, not be water with a waker, and I fear walker, and I fear walker go do. And I fear walker go do. When mafia be no walker, no walker come first. You knock one of these children, they fetch for your hand. Now water will take bring her come back that day. Why are you lying? Why are you lying against me? Yo, they tell me say I go suffer. Suffer for what? Suffer for what? What should they feel say you they do? I go do a just now. I go buy water. All those things they check out for me say, I mean they buy water, I mean they clean. You not die, you never go to it. I did it. I did it. Other men go they play with my children. I go they admire them. They say, you know, see, you go the where can't you work on yourself? Say, this is what my woman wants. This is what he needs. No. No. Come and swear your life food. If one of these children never fed for your hand, if they never fed for your hand, if you never mock them with your mouth, if also they quarrel, so the grace of Christ when you're supposed to do self for this body, the thing go they pay me. The thing go they pay me and say, Nora, not gonna lose this man. Even a quarrel. See what the man they do. They play with the children, he carry their commands, buy something for them, but no one you they do. A man where you go they quarrel, go they follow you to the quarrel. You have your children for documents. You may get reorganized. Then we are what you know what maybe. Yeah, what you maybe. A parent must know that I'm a very truthful person. I don't lie. If you like, not like me. I know they lie. If I have a time no get zaugbe. No get zaugbe. You take these children as if they are 10 years old or if they are 20 years old. The way you correct them, you say they discipline them. That is not a discipline. When you are playing with them, you are a friendly father. When you dey discipline them, you not go pay me. Because I know say for where you for where your papa will they play with you anyhow. For we for call shaft, it means say you do something bad. Meaning say you do something bad. So they say you have, I'm going to carry them, go guiding. We go play. If we, before you come meet us, you come carry the video. I'm here with my children for my guiding. Now you carry the command. You come make video, go back to his house again. You see something post, say you carry children, go back. How many times, even your friends, but when they tell you say, let this woman they relax. Avi bekana ye gadi. Où vient Jo? Où vient Jo? You don't go carry the go guide it, nothing. You cannot throw it away, Mama. Go and sit down, please. You cannot throw it away. I want to make it for baby. I want to make it for baby. You want to throw it away. You cannot throw it away. She'll see you tell you truth. You will say no. Which school mama go they do? We go say no. And single mother has seen one day. Now single mother has seen one day. Me and you quarrel for 2 days. You know they as reasonable man will love children. If they come for her side, you don't even need to see the woman. Now his children go they look for. His children go they look for. If you never, for example, the reasonable man will really know the value of picking. If you never, you want to do where my children, you go measure their name. All the work and go in a day. You play with them, use them and rub their head. You not greet them. You not talk to them. You not even know if you leave children. Then now you can separate. I can say, I want to give you my children. Make they come they spend weekend for you. Enogie. Nene Jemmy, me ask you, no worry. Oh, you bear away. Me ask you, Nene Jemmy, no way moon we are. Son well, Lena, Una ya mweko no kowe, or swan biele nwe. Nene cleaning, who cleaning. Nene son well, Lena, you no go carry baby. You no go help that your wife, your new wife when they born for you now. You don't go help her. That time when you got to the face all those stress of newborn, I don't pass there. I don't pass there. You they play with children. You get love for them. You call the discipline them. I not go ever feel love. If those children ever cry, come with me, I go shut them up. I go ever cause. Come on, go to side. Your father is trying to correct you. Who play with you apart from wakia gugunya. Apart from wakia gugunya, who can na inya gaziba you go see her. Emo gaziba u bege ginya ziba, u bege ginya total low. Inya need father. U bege PS3. Waga de PS3, wa de PS5. Waga de PS5, wa de PS6. U bege. Ege ga ikawen u lowie. I go there with the cook. Children go they stress me. How they shout. Only we are who don't no ya somewhere here no ya somewhere here I go they cook. They use one they carry picking. They use one they drive there because parlor they inside kitchen. They use one they pursue there. They use one they carry baby. How come see shout? Nora we are je work gaming. Don't move your kana. Till you cause carrier. If you carry the next thing, imue your master, inasia, imue your master, inasia. Know the meaning of love. Now to come up for public, say, I love my wife, I love my children. No, you are not proving it. No, you are not doing it. Man will get wisdom. And they use another man, they compare you for good thing. See the way they play with children. See the way they ignore woman. Oh yeah, compare me. You don't go sit down think say now what did they beat this woman be this? Now what did this woman need be this? You don't have if you are working now, say okay, after you come for work, you dey tired. And they imagine say you never they work and they complain like this. You they nag like this. Why we na even? Mommy let talk about you go and what? Wakia bolo unag, wakia wana unag, more dolly moi, more when I say book my way, more keep more we the day when I will beg you say, on the enemy song, remove clothes for son, who's the remove wage or boom, is je or boom, who's that keep my phone. It's okay for you to remove when they complain like this. Imagine me when they watch, they go the Sunday. Imagine me when they watch, they go the Sunday. Why beg but why go one side because they were born we all go like Enogie. Now use the talk go one side. Woman go your carry to come up for public because the woman a mad person. Because the woman a mad person, you go your carry come and begin the talk. And people they correct me say you don't born for you know what I mean go put money for your head. You not good now, your idea sad, you don't born for, you know what, you don't born for because man we know what put money for man, I know see you not get wisdom. I'm going for my wisdom on the leg here. After we go your mom, see now. How many times have you sit me down as a man? I reason as husband and guys, apart from you want to knock. If you don't knock finish, you see carry your pillow. You go like that for parlor. You go like that for parlor. Una when they judge me, now wait till I go see for body, now go pass my own. If una meet that, I go be angel. You can't me every day. She don't go let una talk. That man go. Why will not be the way that boy take by that girl for France? That's how our life will end up. That man go buy una go beer una go beer. That man go buy una be the way that boy take by that girl for France. Eri engagé nous wa. Il a bien, il reste. Cause you won't be no support. Cause you work alone, when I meet the sweep. Me not the sweep. Me not the sweep. The day when you know I won't allow them eat bread. You say no. You already get Nora. Any bread in here. In here, yoto. I can't see beg you say on the Laos. In here, yoto yakbule. In here, yoto yakbule. Iya gele gbe to nu gele do ti emewe iya gbe o to ne wo akpole ban yakpole igele mu ogwe igele yakpole. I want please those children make they eat that bread because now what they say they hungry there. Mama bread, mommy bread. O ma go where bread in here because say ye Nora iya ti bolo iya ti bolo iya ti bolo. He can make document here. I don't get document. Even right now say I still go Italy. I give lawyer nothing 1 year, my document go still come out. Because I don't do autonomous. I don't use that work. Yes, you want it. Yes, you Nigeria. Yeah, we know. The man say you don't buy, you don't die. If I hear a lawyer you will fact. Document you will ladin. My document go still come out. Only time go take. It go take little time. You know you have nothing when I met you. Now you don't. This is what you did so. Now because of these children make me and you did this house. Because of these children make me and you did this house. You did it talk yesterday. One bros want tell you where you for fuck up. You the constant the quarrel with and the constant because you know 1 year where you for error. You know 1 year now. Ulo you talk. E mo do le we ku. It don't ever happen. It don't ever happen. When you if you can't make carry out here. If you can't make carry out here. A neighbor man or now, they don't spend 8 years now. Or what kind of bed the man maybe, or what kind of the man who, and the man is still working. The man will not be jam competing and want the come give documents. Who just school, who win now. If I will see insist, make me go to school. The woman with the real letter for me want go meet tomorrow. So he say no go agree because of my last baby. Me my baby fell complete 2 years before I go school. Me I not currently go to the school. Me they call me they not say my children they lack kept. Me I call say she's now they did this country. He say me my baby fell complete 2 years. No problem. Me out there be next year just complete 2 years. They who are going outside, you know they possess dirty character. Woman will they curse you. I put money for your head. Your family stress me. You don't know your family. If your family can't stress, what you can be my business? No way I'm going your way. You know how much I pay for my use. You know how much I pay for this. You know how much I. Oh, what way a person send you? Now person send you. Yeah, what I say? I put money for your head there. Mad Richard they talk to me. You won't Misha. Isha. You won't Mad way they call me. Mad way they talk to me. I put money for your head there. You they enter public and say you call police on me. Again, we are acting any police in me. When my turn you or gears or acting or yari. Be first day when I call police on you, I would they ask. I beg, wait till be police number. I'm not being message I without your body. A book will not be now your hand will be man. Let me come know say if they quarrel they call police. You know me that you call police. Even when party must be one of my born twins. You go say no giak bawari no who. Wow. If your friends say next when they call the post, so Enogie be taking these children out. This woman stress too much. He is really trying. Wow. Who's that police? My police one of my mama called say this one where your husband they call police for you so. Make sure not call look you like wicked person. You say that your husband they call police for her. You call police on me 5 times. You call police on me 5 times. Now I promise you say. Now you start time, you go wait for me. So why are you not judging me? Why are you not crying? Everywhere swear. Oh, there no wisdom. You dey better for me. Say if that's why I'm not to blame that woman boss lady when you make one video. Because you always dey get that for mind, say, if you get document, you come out. If you get document, you come out. Tell me how God go take bless you with that document when your mind is not clean, your mind is not settled towards your wife and your children. Even when people travel once, I don't know where I don't know which country they go. The next thing, until they get nanny, you see the reason why they find documents now. They go this thing now, they go party now. You see another. I wish if I get documents now, I go. Now I can ask you say, and because of travel to the go party, now make you defend documents. When people defend documents to live better life. You dey find document to they go Austria, they go Belgium, they go party. Now make you defend document. And because of that, I make you defend document. The pride, we not see nothing now. You too get pride. Wetin me talk now will make you dey fight me now when you bring this question now because I call you nonsense. I say which kind of nonsense talk be all this one? Then you can't blow me for neck. Say man we put money for your head, now you dey call nonsense. Man we put money for your head, now you dey call nonsense. I say Nora ima like egbe na tell me na bugbe I have nonsense now. Me man like Nine, what is that? You take it for Nora, I want to slap her, okay? Okay? See your eyes also, we'll go and meet doctor.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Eyes.
Your eyes, yeah, we'll go and meet doctor tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, you make bad, you feel bad. Would they character no mirror me? One of them compare me with another man. They compare me with another man. Wow, okay, I compare with another man. Now as you come one day, you Nora, we party. You Nora, if you see fried rice, when one get cook, I want cook am for you. Me no they complain, so you they compare me with another guy. Say I know they wear short knicker. You want to use the life of who will never marry. Now who they play half time. When you say compare when we don't get children. Make I not get time for my children again. Make I face you. There's never a day he will sit me down and say, this document matter. What are you going to do? And so you narrate me before. Now me concern. Before they come find and say, now the bad what you do for your former city, Bayern Munich, now they affect you. Before your fans can't raise money for you, you can't use and pay that bill. After you don't pay that bill finish, the woman that is reading letter for us, he still call you, come and go to school, come and do us breakdown. You should yours day size, they go all breathe stop, breathe. Enogie, Osadaye, come and have documents. Come and take documents. As me come dey Jamie, they no come grant me documents. You don't know say you go serious. UMENWAN, people dey Jamie for this Jamie 5 years. He and the children, I don't see a lot. You can't kill yourself, say because you don't get documents. Even your quarrel low, people when you get spiritual highs, don't know say you are fighting for documents. People that have spiritual highs, people when you get high for back, when really they think fast, everybody will know say you are just grumbling. You dey repricate so because of documents. It's show for your body, it's all over you. It's all over you. With your document you agiewe. When no give me, ibienwe, imari ebenwe, mori ebenwa. The next thing, we ma bunya was like that. Ni ya nenyangwe, was here, Gamana on wari ebeno da for me. Because waga win on our way, I get the right to go meet there. Even I saw your baba sit talk. Say if you they do something, you don't work, you get certificates, you get the right to go meet them. Say, wait till una want for me, wait till una say make I do when I not do. I don't go school, I don't let work. My family they get documents. Wait till una want for me, una no want make una give me documents. But you not there. You not there. You not there for you not get. Why clemency party here? No, even we petty, mess up with the lies, Nana. How many of them come flog me for us? How many of them come see me for come flog me for us? You lie against me to your mother. Your mother dislike me till now. I go talk to you. Quarrel go happen. You want report to your mama. Another thing you go tell your mama. Now me and you quarrel for year. You tell by the mouth say, I will can wear saga away. Ima vie ma who. Me and you quarrel. You tell the world say, now my woman make me saga Lady Monica. Ima gui ma who. Imerita we a palma like you wear. Now we talking about gbe one. Don't gbe one. The government is vieux because we have value in you. Don't be one. The more your government because you not value there. You not value there. They use me they compare. If you see who they use it they compare, you know when I be compare. When I be compare. Where the phone is there, if we there, if 400 is there, the manager now, you will expect me people to come out and say to public, say, see for when my husband buy for me, see for when my husband buy for me. I not do one, the thing because they vex you. What your women they do, you reach my tongue, I not do. No get take time, take time. I had you quite go more. I go a to know how dump you are. You are a woman, they quarrel. The next thing, you want post woman, me they prepare me. Full leg boy. People that have eyes, they will know that okay, we don't want to get now misbehave. They don't want to get now misbehave. You will always enjoy it when the girl don't have charge. When the girl don't have children, we enjoy the relationship. It will be full of fun, because that is what you always pray for. Guess what happened when son Lena will go the bay. A problem with Lena will go the bay. You will maintain your character and let the world know that I am a bad person. I get violence, I get complain, I get violence, who are maintaining boy. Who are maintaining boy. I don't fit do that one. Quarrel, settle. I don't fit again. You will I expect you the quarrel. I should the run for actions. Why me not run? You run, me run. I let children not do anything. Who are maintained? If God may carry the children now, you go feel happy. You call the cry for you say, my man Nora, you see what you have done now. You see what you have done. For your mind, you be happy. For your mind, you be happy because you don't value them. Imagine what we got to man value in you.
Mommy, oh
Besides no come out for you. I hear that word. That besides no come for you again. I hear that word. It touched me. It touched me. When you say we can't say we want get document together. Like say I not fair get document at all. Now you not fair get document. Now we will plan that kind of dirty life. Say okay. Now bien agba arebe. He carry bear. He carry bear. He carry bear. I put money for your head. I put money for your head. And yeah, we are me get your gym. I could go money go in moon. That's me. I'm going to move to ya low and I put money for your head. Maybe you want to talk to me. I put money for your head. I for not ever allow you to where I not bring since then. I go there like that. Yeah, raw, very raw. I'll there like that. Wow, they're doing why so jail. Why so jail. I sabon run away. When it be man, I was jail. Or I will come. I will be. Don't be alone, me. How you don't be alone, me? Ne yo. Is that how jail London? Is that how jail London? I make character. When no me, I want the word of Magua. I want to be your way. You come back. No, don't let me. I will la jam. I have vaccine. I want to be a zaga. The word of Mama Guane Vamagua, a buy equal the third one, I buy equal the second one. I will allow the area. I will do our you know I make character. Wa mere for bay. I mean, the boyfriend, move pepe. Because my be the boy, my be the boy. My the character here, always ladia. Man, I not get character. Wa mere for bay. Ibẹ̀ kana wa mi ere fo gbe. Ami ere fo gbe. I know what the magua we ajo jije Nora. Ni wo biere ni wi biere abi ajo jije Nora. Una see me finish. It is well. Ye Nora le character. When me wo do magua. When me ubelele ya. They too wa me iwo. They too wa me iwo. If you talk to me, I go deal with you. If not, you come and deal with me. Would that go by now? There with them mommy when no come, you went down. There with them mama when he lost so much, no come, you went down. We go your one, we go your one, we go your one, we go your one. Ija. One night we go your way. Don't have to go where we are. That's what our husband they do now. That's what our husband they do now. More not tell me you. Me for nothing. Be only me one. I put money for your head though. Not the way you take talk to me. I put money for your head though. Not the way you take talk to me. That's what our husband they do ah. And we go your for where you are. Why go? If you no let person talk. If you talk, shut up. I put money for your head. Your family use me. Your family use me. That's what our family, that's what our husband they do. I bet when I draw comments, make I look. I'll be not a look comments since. I want focus on comments now. That's what our husband they do. I bet when I let me know. My for no say na every na not be only Enogie. Okay, maybe I can't say na general. They not relate anything with my sister. It's not precious, make I know you. They don't relate anything. Which relate? Because they speak Asian. They not give my man Asian, but precious make Asian. How they say relate? When not they by no give Expøse. When person will say me not get character, he say okay, Julia, I say no. Okay, not be so now husband go talk, no go talk. Now husband go say, may you shut up. People money for your head. Okay. Benin, so Benin men with pride. You guys will do marriage for you. If you see character, what precious men po. If you now small thing the message I no get no quarrel that day. You no get control. Say when you precious men not take quarrel. But I make character not possess you one now. When I go. Utero ye we aniga arewa. Boy do agree me good. And one go na good. And no get not a bit of Nora again. Ye Nora you know Emma. Ye Nora stop. And no get you when you yourself don't call this sass. The way this children they stress me. You could have passed for all this soup when you say they soup in the honor. Only they cannot stress me. They would they pity me. I'm not you they try. Oh Jesus, they do where. Even my everywhere. When I'm here, me mad ya judge me. You give me character. When you any character no what the man go say oh. Mama live there.